If you've got nasty rust stains from your sprinkler system on your fence, your decks, your sidewalks, well guys, I've got a perfect solution for you right here, and I'm gonna use this to get rid of this right before your eyes.